How does it work? So this is an 8-week programme starting on the 17th of September. We meet at 9 o'clock on Fridays on Zoom, and that's for 1 hour each week. Each week gets recorded, so that's there for you to access again and again. And we just have one break, so 1 week of no call on the 22nd of October. So I guess in total it runs for 9 weeks. What we do is before the first week, I email you and invite you to tell me your top 3 challenges. And from those, I then curate the themes for the group so that the group is entirely tailored to you and what you want and need. So the themes are broad enough that the specifics of your situation aren't obvious, but they're condensed enough and narrow enough that we can kind of get our hands around it a bit and get into that specific lens to look through. So we then meet week 1. So this is you've told me your 3 challenges. Week 1 we meet and we set the groundwork, we establish what we're doing, where we're looking and why we're looking there. And then weeks 2 to 7, that's when we look at the themes that you guys shared with me and which I curated for the benefit of the group. So each week we come together, I email you before, so you get some questions before the call and some resources and things to consider before the call. We come together and I share a bit about the topic, so orienting it to this conversation, to this work we're doing. And then we open into discussion and sharing and questions from your perspective of what's coming up. So we do that for weeks 2 to 7 on each of the different themes which come out of your feedback to me before we start. And then week 8, we come to closing. We share the shifts that have happened, we share what we've realised, what we've noticed, how life has changed, and share appreciation for each other and the time we've spent together. And then to support that, so it's not only the calls, which you get recorded and you get access to so you can watch them again, which is amazing, because you hear something different each time you watch them back. You will also get access to a private community group just for this programme, as well as the main Wild Fig community group. You will also get a curated learning resources space, which you log into, you have personal login access to, and you can access everything that I send before, everything that we talk about during, and anything else that comes up along the way, curated by each week of the programme. So you can always go back and reconnect with resources and remind yourself what we talked about and what came out of it. And so there really is so much value in this programme so that you can get the most from it and learn and read and watch and listen in your own time, as well as doing the being part of the calls together with the rest of the group. So to sign up, if you already know you're in, go to the link in the comments and you just need to click buy at the top of the page there. If you're not sure, then there's also a link there for you to book a 30-minute call with me so that we can talk about it more and see if this is the right thing for you.